you're watching Bread's Entertainment. So, do girls have it easy on YouTube, on social media? Do they get more followers and blah 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 and more interest? Yes, they fucking do. This video, just so you lot can fathom this, has 26 million views. It's gone up by a million since yesterday. 26 million views, and all it is, don't get me wrong, she's a very beautiful girl. She doesn't even have to show that much nudity. This is what some of you girls need to learn. Like, you lot are on TikTok flashing your ass for nothing. This girl just sitting in her bed, very pretty, obviously. Let's have a look and watch it. See, don't let me bore you.
Thursday's hot tub, guys. Saturday is squat stream. Oh, I'm ready for bed, guys.
This girl is hilarious. She is hilarious, and shout out to her, man. If there's dumb guys out there that are just so desperate, they want to see some ass. I'm not even gonna stunt. She's very pretty. She got a lovely set of knockers. But 26 fucking million views, guys. Seriously. 26 million views.
Thursday's hot tub, guys. Saturday is squat stream. Oh, I'm ready for bed, guys.
She's ready for bed, guys. 26 million views. Wow. OMG.